Humans have been so good creating things. We created cars, buildings, candy, robots, another billion of things. But time before our existence, nature was the only engineer creating beautiful things. Dogs, flowers, trees. What is the difference of what we create and what nature creates? What makes life different from just matter? This girl, staying with the doll, is just a sum of atoms. But what makes the girl alive and not the doll is how the atoms are organized. By a molecule you probably know. Deoxyribonucleic acid, better known as DNA. It is a double helix molecule that has something like a code. This DNA code is made up of chemical letters G, C, A, and C. Every living organism has its own code. It is the order of these letters what determines how the cell grows, reproduces, change, and behave. In different combinations, it can make a flower, an elephant, or you. Scientists eventually learned to read an entire DNA sequence, beginning to end, called the genome. But humans never give up. They were curious. What can happen if they modify this genome? If they cut and paste some DNA code? If they take the size of a watermelon and transfer it to an apple? Make creatures do what they have never done before. Biologists got better, and a new kind of science was born: synthetic biology. Every year, the International Genetically Engineered Machine Competition gathers undergraduate, graduate, and university students to work to build genetically engineered systems using standard biological parts called biobricks. These are kind of building blocks that are DNA sequences to design and match to incorporate into living cells and so construct new biological systems. 2015 winners mutated an extracellular protein to allow it to bind and inhibit elevated coenzyme B, specifically in the extracellular matrix, to prevent tissue damage from chronic inflammation. So, can we improve what has been created with billions of years of evolution? Can we start writing genomes? Could we one day make lightning plants? Could we create entire new organisms that are drastically different from everything that has ever existed? But maybe we can also create a deadly virus, or release organisms to the nature that modify the entire system, or start a new era of new bioweapons. So, where will we take this new technology? To what extent it should go, or will go?